three black discs X, Y and Z. They have radii 1 meter, 2 meter and that of 3 meter. So the radius of disc X as to radius of disc Y as to radius of disc Z, it is equal to 1 as to 2 as to 3, 1 meter as to 2 meter as to 3 meter respectively. The wavelength corresponding to maximum intensity R, lambda X is equal to 200 nanometer, lambda Y is equal to 300 nanometer and lambda Z is equal to 400 nanometer. It means lambda X as to lambda Y as to lambda Z, lambda X as to lambda Y as to lambda Z is equal to 2 as to 3 as to 4, 2 as to 3 as to 4. Then the relationship between emissive power of disc X, emissive power of disc Y and that of emissive power of disc Z. How is the relationship between emissive power of three discs? Now we know that as far as emissive power is concerned, emissive power of an object, it is denoted by a letter capital E, and this E is equal to sigma A T raised to 4, where sigma is Stephen's constant. It means emissive power is directly proportional to A into T raised to 4. Emissive power is directly proportional to what? A into T raised to 4. Now as far as the disc is concerned, for a disc has two faces. And what is the area of one face? It is pi r square, and because it has two faces, therefore area of disc is equal to 2 pi into what? R square. Therefore area of disc X as to area of disc Y as to area of disc Z is equal to Rx square as to Ry square as to Rz square. So that is equal to area Rx square, it means it is 1 square as to 2 square as to 3 square, 1 square as to 2 square as to 3 square. It means Ax as to Ay as to Az is equal to 1 as to 4 as to 9, 1 as to 4 as to 9. Now we know according to Wien's displacement law. What is Wien's displacement law? According to Wien's displacement law, lambda m into T is equal to constant, where lambda m, it is the maximum wavelength and T is the absolute temperature. So lambda m into T is constant, but we know that lambda x as to lambda y as to lambda z, lambda x as to lambda y as to lambda z is equal to 2 as to 3 as to 4, 2 as to 3 as to 4. So as the lambda m into T is constant, it means that T is inversely proportional to lambda. Therefore Tx as to Ty as to Tz is equal to 1 upon lambda x as to 1 upon lambda y as to 1 upon lambda z. Therefore Tx as to Ty as to Tz is equal to 1 upon 2 as to 1 upon 3 as to 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2 as to 1 upon 3 as to 1 upon 4. Now here LCM is 12, so this ratio is 12 means 6, and here it is 6 as to 4 as to 3. So Tx as to Ty as to Tz is equal to 6 as to 4 as to 3, and similarly Ax as to Ay as to Az is equal to 1 as to 4 as to 9. And now we have to find out the emissive power for disc X. Emissive power for disc X, Ex is equal to emissive power for disc X, Ex is equal to Ax into Tx raised to 4, Ax into what? Tx raised to 4, that is equal to 1 into, what is the Tx? 1 into 6 raised to 4, 1 into 6 raised to 4, that is equal to 1 into 6 raised to 4. What is 6 raised to 4? 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, that is 1296. Similarly, emissive power of y, Ey is equal to Ay into Ty raised to 4, ay into ty raised to 4 ay, it is 4 into ty, it is 4 into what, 4 raised to 4, 4 into 4 raised to 4. What is the 4 into 4 raised to 4? It is 4 times 4 into 4 into 4, 5 times 4 into 4 into 4, that is 1024, 1024. And similarly emissive power of this z, it is az into tz raised to 4, az into tz raised to 4. What is az? It is 9 into tz, it is 3 raised to 4, and that comes to be 729, 729. And now what we can say? Ex is greater than Ey is greater than Ez, it means Ex is maximum. Ex is what? Maximum. So if you look at the 4 option, which option is correct? Look at option A, Ex is maximum. So option A is the correct option for this question.